Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my favorite Roman lipstick video for 2021. I didn't think that this year was going to pass by this fast, like genuinely. It's pretty much the new year and it's also the day before my 21st birthday. So just trying to, really use my time productively. So I've got 6 really nice colors to show you guys. If you guys are into, lip products, then just keep on watching. The lighting is kind of bad, but these are the 6 colors. All right guys, so the first color is in the shade number 16 Burning Nude, and this is a Zero Velvet tint. So this is what Burning Nude looks like. Like a very nice toasted reddish color, if you will. I'm gonna put it on. This is what this color looks like, just like a deeper, really suitable for fall color, and this is why I really liked it. This was like a very popular color. If you searched on Xiaohongshu for like Roman, like Zero Velvet tint or something, this color was the most popular, and I can see like the reason for why it's so popular, because I feel like it's just really suitable for any skin tone, and it's like a very universal, chestnutty, deeper red color. This is just the first color in number 16 Burning Nude that I have to recommend to you guys. The second color I have for you guys just instantly, as you can see, brightens up my complexion. This is another one of the Zero Velvet tints, and it's another popular color in the shade Earl Grey Shawl, right? Yeah, number 19, Earl Grey Shawl. It's getting really dark outside, guys, but I'm determined to finish this video. So that is what Earl Grey Shawl looks like. It's a little bit more red as opposed to kind of like the orangish brick color that I just swatched. These types of colors just instantly brighten up your complexion. I feel like in the spring and summer, it's still perfect to wear juicy lasting tints, but considering that it is the winter time right now, I thought it would be great to share a couple of the Zero Velvet tints with you guys. So yeah, this is another one of my favorite shades. Yeah, so this is Earl Grey Shawl, and let's move on to the third one. Okay guys, so this is the third Zero Velvet tint I have to recommend to you guys. The lighting is really bad. I can't believe I procrastinated an entire day and waited until 5 p.m. to film this video. It's basically 5 p.m. This is in the shade number 20 Berry Knit. It's more of like a brighter, like vibrant red as opposed to the previous 2. Yeah, this is definitely a lot more berry, a lot more red. It's like got some burgundy and purple in it as well. If you guys can see, it's this color. Sorry, this Burning Nude swatch is horrible, but it's kind of like a maroon color. I feel like these types of colors are perfect for the holiday season. Yeah, this is in Berry Knit. It's just a dark burgundy color. Not the most everyday, but if you want something that's gonna make you look really elegant, this is the type of color to go for. All right guys, so this is the first juicy lasting tint I have to recommend for you guys. This lighting is like horrendous at this point. Please forgive me, but this is the Roman juicy lasting tint in the shade Almond Rose. And ooh, that is what it looks like. Holy shit, guys, I'm so sorry. Again, considering the name Almond Rose, it's like a nice almond color, and what I really love about the Juicy Lasting tint is that it's super glossy, it's a lot more wearable, I feel like, and plus, kind of like the glossy lip trend has been in as opposed to like the velvet lips. So if you are looking for like a more everyday color, I really do recommend colors from the Juicy Lasting tint line because they're just very wearable and they're really pretty. These colors are also really buildable, which I like because I like something that's a little bit more like sheer, and you can build it up if you want more color as opposed to something that's very, very pigmented. Yeah, this is in the shade Almond Rose. For your guys' reference, in the shade number 19. I have like this thing with 19. I just really like it because it's my birthday. Sorry. This lighting truly isn't doing these colors any justice. But yeah, this is definitely one of my most used colors this year. This is in the shade 06 Fig Fig, and it's just so nice, guys. I really like this like a lot more compared to Jujube, which is like the warmer tone version. I put this on a little bit darker today, or it might just be the shitty lighting. But yeah, this is just what the color looks like. It's a little bit pinky, a little bit purple toned. Should I turn on my light, guys? Okay, guys, I'm so sorry if this lighting is very bad, but I can't do it anymore, guys. That lighting was horrible. So you guys are just gonna have to deal with this like very yellow lighting. This is the second last color I'm recommending to you guys. Juicy Velvet Juicy Lasting tint in the shade Fig Fig. If you guys have any questions, please ask me in the comments. So this last color is a very, very bright one, and the exposure might be like this because of the lighting. It's like not this bright in real life, okay? It really is not this bright in real life, but this is in the shade Cherry Bomb number 12. And let me swatch it for you guys. That's what the color looks like. A very, very, very like bright Kool-Aid color. It just makes you look very lively. Obviously you don't have to apply it like this. This is a little bit too much. Like I would not go out like this, but just kind of demonstrating what the color would look like. My other favorite one is Deep Sangria, but that one is currently in my apartment. So yeah, so I really, really, really like Deep Sangria, but I don't have it right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys Cherry Bomb. These are gonna be so hard to remove later. Both the Juicy Lasting Tint and the Zero Velvet tints are both really hard to remove, and they kind of stain. So that's the only thing. But on the flip side, that just means it's also very long lasting. So if you guys like long lasting lip products, then these are gonna be right up your alley. All right guys, so I just went to go remove my lips. They're so stained now, but my hands are gonna be even more stained later. But pretty much the end of the video, guys. These are just 6 of my favorite Roman lip products from this year to share with you guys. I'm so sorry for like the horrible lighting. I don't know why I waited this long to film this video, but it's like snowing pretty hard outside. So, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my other social media platforms linked down below. I hope you guys have a great holiday season, great Christmas, New Year's. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.